Hi, I'm going to talk about one of the new features we are working on for Plastic 4.0, right? And it's about transparent SCM. Well, that's the concept we want to show, and it's basically that you can start doing operations on your workspace without, notifying Plastic about them, and then Plastic will realize what you've done with your system, even if you have moved code or you have moved a directory or renamed it or whatever, and will easily, through just a single click, let you reconcile all the changes. Let's start. I'm going to open the pending changes view on a shell extension. That's something that is available on Plastics 3.0 already. And well, you can see it's empty, so there are no changes. And the next thing I'm going to do is just start moving around a little bit and doing some modifications on the code, right? For instance, I have some fields, some code here. It's actually the Quake code. And what I'm going to do is something very simple. The first thing I'm going to do is just, move this file. And well, I didn't tell Plastic about it, so the shell extension is not listening for that. And the next thing I'm going to do is just, okay, show me the changes. And it will tell me, hey, you moved that file, and it detects it as being moved locally, right? The interesting thing is that, first I can do something like this, this renamed, and then I can open it, edit it a little bit. For instance, I'm going to remove the comments at the beginning. Okay, just save it, and then when I do refresh, it will check and it will find that, hey, your code has been moved. It's actually this one, and well, there's a similarity here, so it finds, well, it's quite similar to the previous code you had, so I can still find it. And the same will hold true, of course, for simpler things like, for instance, renaming a file, something that has been requested several times by our users. Well, you see, when item has been deleted, it tells you, hey, it's been removed locally. It actually means, locally means you didn't tell Plastic, like, for instance, you didn't do something like this, like Plastic SCM delete, right? You do that, then it's going to be a different operation. As you can see here, it's removed versus remove locally, and the same will happen with the rest of operations. It's actually something extremely useful, because even if you do a bigger rename or a directory rename, and that's something that is actually out of the scope of some of the other version control systems out there, because they don't handle directories as we do something like that, right? You go here, we'll show you, well, you can see it's pretty fast, but you will see that, hey, the full directory has been renamed instead of finding a ton of renamed files inside, right? Confirming all changes will be just a matter of pressing the checkin button, and everything will go to the server in just one single step. So we think it's going to be a pretty transparent way of working for a big number of developers. Hope you like it.